What's up my beautiful people, Kenny Good Vibes TV here today again with another wonderful Caribbean dish. Today on the menu we have some steamed fish, yes, some red snapper. So guys, thank you very much for joining. I'm gonna show you the ingredient I have to make this steamed snapper so you can make your own at home. Let's go.
It name help me cook my Sunday dish. Me call it rice and peas, and scabious fish.
So we have some okra, some scallion and thyme. We have some sweet pepper, bell pepper. Yeah man. We have tomato, Irish potato, onion, carrot. We have some hot pepper which is optional. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have some Caribbean cock soup mix. You understand? I couldn't find the fish flavored one, so Caribbean flavored cock soup mix. Yeah man. Coconut powder. Yeah man, we have a coconut milk powder to taste up the pot. So guys, let's get into it. Now it's time to clean up my fish. I already scaled them off from yesterday. Make sure to always use some vinegar. Yeah. Vinegar will help kill the rawness. Look at them, nice and beautiful. And inside well clean and looking beautiful, just ready to get that seasoning there. Let's go. So here we go. The all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, sprinkle with love, which is about a tablespoon, you know. Tablespoon can do the trick for both of these. The Old Bay, you want to season them inside out. End up using about a tablespoon of Old Bay. Should have done this earlier, but you want to clip off these excess bony area, what they call fin. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to rest this aside for a moment, but we're not going to use that yet. Scallion. This is about the vegetable. Big enough size, not too small. Last but not least, the hot pepper, which is optional. You don't have to use this, but me, I love my hot pepper. The seed is the hottest part, so as long as you don't put the seed, you're good to go. This is all the ingredients that are gonna go into my steamed fish today. So now that all my vegetable is cut up, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding them to my pot. I have a cast iron pot here, and the stove is getting heated. As you can see, a lot of smoke coming off of it. So now I'm gonna add this 1/4 stick of butter to my cast iron pot, and then we're gonna move on with the vegetable. Just cover that and let it simmer. My coconut powder. I'll get some water. Make sure to pour my water in there. Go in with a spoon and just start mix. This is like a cup and a half of water. Let's go. Wow. Smells so natural and nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and pour. Last but not least, I'm gonna add my 2 cloves of garlic. I like to crush them a little bit, just like that. And then just cut them. They're good to go. I'm gonna cover this and give my pot some time to start boiling. Then I'm gonna add my fish. So right after 3 to 4 minutes, pot start bubble. Time to add my fish. Let's go. Just amazing. Alright, time for me to check up, see what's going on. Wow. So about 5 minutes after putting in the fish, I'm gonna go ahead with my cock flavored noodle. That cock flavored soup is gonna sit in there. I have some Excelsior water crackers. Then I made 1 more minute and that should be good to go. And for sure at this moment, I think we have come to the end. This is it, guys. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, and as always, my beautiful people, welcome to my favorite part. This is some steamed fish, Jamaican style. As you can see, well put together, all the ingredients in here. The only thing leave is to see what's the outcome. So let's taste. Wow, this is wonderful. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you can see how juicy it looks. Just look at that. Just good. All that flavor, you can taste everything. And as I tell you, the pepper is optional, but I got the pepper here, got a little kick to it. Wonderful. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel, man, so we can make more nice videos like this and you can be a part of it. This is Kenny Good Vibe TV saying, I'm out. Now eat.